this is just a quick video because I always get somebody that asks me stuff in the basement, and they always say, hey, what's that room back there? Not a lot of people, but I have gotten people ask me, what is there? And I guess they haven't seen, all my videos. But like that sheathing, this area, that's my CNC room. I'll just explain it. So here's my powder coating. But there's sheathing that goes all the way up and around. And this, from this corner here to here, that's 12 feet. It's about 12 feet from here to here. And then it's about 12 feet from that corner all the way to the wall. And you can see I have it go all the way up, and it's blocked off. And that's because, see, look at the floor. See how sometimes I'll get the dust come out just from this door being open. But this is my CNC room, guys. It's a little bit of a mess here. This is all my materials, band saws, drill presses, my CNC, and I'm a Mach 3 dealer. I'm a Mach dealer. So I also run Mach software. And like I said, it's messy in here. But you see all this stuff on the floor, because I cut aluminum, I cut carbon fiber, I cut G10. You could just see, all the materials here that I cut. So that's what this is all blocked off for. This is to keep all the dust in here as much as possible so it doesn't interfere with any printing equipment. It's not too bad, but I mean, there's a lot of room in here to walk around, even with this cabinet and everything in here. Because I actually want to put another CNC machine on this side. I'm going to break this wall down here. Break it down, it's plastic. I'm going to spread our RC stuff out a little bit because we got room, and I want to get a bigger CNC machine there. This is only 2x3, but I usually only do aluminum stuff on here, as you can see, and it's a mess. And this is the dust collection system. See, but it only collects so much dust, guys. It doesn't get it all, but yeah, you can see all the. You might not be able to see, but there's a lot of aluminum dust and chips down here just from cutting stuff. So that's it. That's what this room is. I know I've shown it in a couple of videos a while back, but this is a CNC room. And I got to get this stuff off my... this back here is our RC room. My sons and I, we do RC stuff. I've been doing it since I was a kid. I collect a lot of vintage cars. As you can see, this is kind of an off-the-wall video here. I got a lot of rare cars. I do quadcopters. I've been flying... My son and I have been flying quadcopters since '04. I have for sure. And I got him on video when he was like 2 and 3 flying quads. So it's like a 4-foot round DSLR quadcopter setup. Some other quads up there that I made, but I'm a microcopter flyer if you ever heard of that. Anyways, RC10s, vintage, world's smallest production cars. This is our RC stuff. And then, of course, looking back at the shop again here. So I've been trying, like I said, I've been trying to get this area cleared out. I put in a green screen here and a little special thing I'm not going to talk about yet. So that'll be in this room here. So, but that's that room, guys. That's what that room is back there. That's my CNC room. I cut aluminum. I'll make signs. I do the laser over there, but I used to have the laser in there. But you know what? The dust was bad. I just didn't want to have. So, but that's it. Oh, and behind here, this is stairs that go up. So it's more storage. That's where my son keeps his Stahls and Nerf guns. So that's it. But thanks for watching, guys. This is the short tour of the CNC room in the print house. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that notification. See you in the next one.